Hello everyone. In this video, self-assessment term 1 model paper 2025-26 class 8th subject biological science question paper with answer discuss. This question paper and key download to the Telegram group link on the description. Follow the link, like and share and subscribe to Manish Sir YouTube channel. Let's start the paper. Section A, multiple choice question. Each question has 4 options, out of which only one option is correct. Question number first, identify the odd one with respect to their fertilization. Option A, frog. Option B, butterfly. Option C, hen. Option D, humans. What is the answer? Answer is a frog. Frog undergoes external fertilization while butterflies, hens and humans undergo internal fertilization. Question number 2, identify the correct statement is about IVF, in vitro fertilization. Option A, the baby in this method develop in the test tube. In IVF method, fertilization take place inside the body of the female. This method is done females whose oviduct are blocked. IVF is a sexual reproduction method. Which one is the correct answer? Correct answer option C is the right answer. IVF is used when natural fertilization is difficult due to issues like a blocked oviduct. This is a question number 2 answer. Next question number 3. In a village, so many people are suffering with hepatitis A. Which of the following method would you suggest to prevent disease? Using mosquito nets, drinking boiled and cooled drink water, spraying insecticides, keep the patients in complete isolation. Which answer? Answer is a drink boiled and cooled drinking water. Hepatitis A is a waterborne disease. Question number 4. What is the reason for growing the wheat crop in Rabi season? Plenty of water is available. High temperature during this season promote forest growth. Option C, high humidity and cloudy weather is suitable for growth. It required cool environment and dry weather. Which one answer? Answer option D. It require cool environment and dry weather is the correct answer. Wheat is a winter crop that needs lower temperature. Question number 5. Metamorphosis in the seen in this organism. Frog, butterfly, hen, dog. One only, one and two only, one, two, three only, four only. Which one answer? One and two only. One and two only. Metamorphosis is observed in frog and butterflies. Now the next question number 6. Identify the organism in the picture. Paramecium, amoeba. Option C, Clydomonas, Spirogyra. Which one answer? Answer is a Paramecium, the slipper shaped organism in the diagram. This is a Paramecium. Question number 7. A surgeon combine is a modern tools used for plugging of a surgeon. Reason plugging makes the soil loose and porous to air. Water helps in microbial growth. A. Both A and R are true. R is the correct explanation of A. Both A, R are true. R is not correct explanation of A. A is true, R is false. A is false, R is true. Which answer? Answer is the option D is the correct answer. A is false, R is true. A combine is used harvesting and threshing, not a plugging. However, the reason stating the plugging, loosening the soil is correct. Question number 8. Ramu villages is severely affected by drought. Which method do you suggest? Grow crop, scarcity of water, drip irrigation, moat and chain pump, lever system, Dhekli. Which one answer? Answer is a drip irrigation. Option A is the correct answer. Drip irrigation conserve water and the best drought prone area. Question number 9. Find the incorrect statement among the following. Hydra reproduce through budding. Amoeba reproduce through binary fission. Cloning is an example of sexual mode of reproduction. Butterfly is a oviparous organism. Answer is option C. Cloning is an example of sexual mode of reproduction. Cloning is a asexual method. Exact copy, not a sexual reproduction. Now the next question. Rahul placed an egg bought from the market along with the egg laid by his pet hen for incubation. Later he found that no chick hatched from the market egg. What could be the most likely reason a hen can incubate only its own egg? Eggs sold in market are not fertilized. Eggs sold in the market are treated with the chemical to kill the live them. The market eggs are generally too small to support the growth of a chick. Which one answer? Answer is the option B is the correct answer. Option B. Eggs sold in the market are not fertilized is the answer. Unfertilized eggs cannot develop into the chick. Now the next section. Answer the following question in answer booklet. What do we call the unwanted plant growing along with crop? How can we control them? Question number 12. Raju is taking excessive amount of antibiotic. Is it correct? What precaution must be taken while taking antibiotic? 13th question. Write any two differences between eggs and sperm. And the next section, answer the following question. 2 cross 4 equal to 8 marks. List 4 food preservation method used in home and provide example of food that are preserved using each method. Draw a neat diagram of female reproductive system. Now answer this long type of answer. Human disease, causative microorganism, mode of transmission, preventive measure. Tuberculosis, cause of microorganism, bacteria, mode of transmission, air. Preventive measure, keep the patient in complete isolation, keep the personal belonging of the patient away from those other. Vaccination to be given at the suitable age. Chicken pox virus and air contact. Malaria is a protozoa, is a mosquito. Use mosquito nets and the repellents. Spray insecticides, control breeding of an mosquito by not allowing water to collect in the surrounding. Which organism cause polio? And the second one, give an example of bacterial disease. Third one, how can we prevent malaria disease? Fourth one, what is the mode of transmission of chicken pox? And the internal of the question, this is a diagram of cat, ostrich, crocodile, dog, hens and cow. The images show six animals classified into oviparous and viviparous animal. Mention any two external feature of these animals that help this classification. And the 17th A question, what is asexual reproduction? Explain any two method of asexual reproduction in animals. Internal of the question, explain the following steps of agriculture and mention their importance in farming. Preparation of soil. Second one is a weeding. Third, modern irrigation method. Fourth is the storage of grain. Now start to the answer. First, identify the odd one with respect to their fertilization? Answer is a frog. Identify the correct statement about IVF, in vitro fertilization. Answer: this method is done in female whose oviduct are blocked. Prevention method for hepatitis A: drink boiled and cooled drinking water. Fourth reason for growing wheat in a Rabi season: it requires cool environment and dry weather. Metamorphosis is seen in organism 1 and 2. Identify the organism in the picture. Paramecium. A surgeon and reason. Answer A is false, R is true. Eighth answer is a drip irrigation on the drought area. Question 9. Incorrect statement: cloning is a asexual reproduction. Question number 10. Why did the market egg not hatch? Eggs sold in market are not fertilized. Unfertilized eggs cannot develop into chick. What do we call the unwanted plant grow along with the crop? How can we control them? How to the answer right? Unwanted plants are called weeds. They can be controlled by weeding, manure removal, tilling before sowing, or using chemical called weedicides. Example 2,4-D. Excessive antibiotic and the precautions. Taking excessive antibiotic is not correct. It may kill beneficial bacteria in the body. Precaution: only take them on the advice of qualified doctor and complete the prescribed course. Differentiate between eggs and sperm. Sperm male gamete, small, motile, has a tail, produce in testes. Egg ovum. Female gametes larger, non-motile, produce in ovary. Food preservation method is the sun drying vegetable, red chilies, salting pickles, fish, sugar, jams, jellies, oil and vinegar is the pickles. Now the next question: female reproductive system. Draw a neat diagram. Diagram showing ovaries, oviduct, fallopian tubes, ureters and vagina. And now long answer question. This is table question: which organism causes polio? Answer is a virus. Second, give an example for bacterial disease, tuberculosis. Third one, how can we prevent malaria? Use mosquito nets, repellents, spray insecticides, and do not allow water to collect in surrounding. Mode of transmission of chickenpox: air contact. And the internal of the question: classify of animal oviparous and viviparous. Oviparous lay eggs, hen, ostrich and crocodile. Viviparous give birth, cow, dog, cat. External feature for classification: viviparous have external ear, spine and hair on the skin. Oviparous do not have external ears, holes instead, and their feathers or scales. 17th A. Asexual reproduction. A definition: reproduction in which only single parent is involved is called asexual reproduction. Method: binary fission. Amoeba, an organism divided into two equal parts. Budding, hydra. New individual develop from buds on the parents. And then now 17th B question: agricultural steps. Preparation of soil. Losing and turning the soil using a plug allow roots to breathe and penetrate deep. Weeding: removal of unwanted plant that complete with crops of nutrients and water. Modern irrigation method: use drip or sprinkler system to use water economically. Storage of grain: keeping harvested grains in silos and granaries to protect them, moistures, insects, and rats. This is the all answer described in the video. Like, share, and subscribe to the in this YouTube channel, Manish Sir YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Watch the video, like and share.